Hi Capricorn, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a mid-month reading for the month of May 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. You've got the Strength card, Three of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, and Queen of Wands and Knight of Cups. Wow. You've got the Queen of Pentacles at the bottom of this deck. Capricorn, I see you going towards your ambitions with a lot of grit and determination. But there's also something that you want to talk about to somebody who you see as a potential partner. You feel all the strength in this world, you feel empowered, and if you haven't been feeling this way, rest assured in the coming month of June, you will start feeling really empowered. You're waiting for your ships to arrive. Probably you're waiting for a communication to happen with somebody because you need to tell them how much you love them and how much they mean to you. I see all the good things coming your way, Capricorn. You've got a great house. If you're wishing for a house deal to happen, it's going to happen in your favor. Lot of prosperity, health, and happiness coming your way, Capricorn. So just have faith because the universe is working behind your back to give you everything that you desire. You are paying attention to your work, which is a great thing because it's going to pay off in the long run. Just make sure that you don't become too impulsive and immature about certain decisions in life. Okay, you've got the Tower card and you've got, the Page of Cups. Capricorn, the person that you're trying to reach is currently not available. That is because there has been a very terrible ending in their life, and that had to do with a romantic relationship, and they need some time to heal. They see you, they hear you, they know you are there, they know you could be a potential partner, and you're trying to reach out to them, but they are in a little the headspace that they're in is a little topsy-turvy right now. So they need time. They're there, but they need little time. So you need to be patient with them, Capricorn. They're going through something. Everyone's going through a journey. So just be patient. Seven of Fire. Got the Seven of Wands. So this person is fighting a battle between the head and the heart, and they really need to ground themselves. They need time to see the good things in life. What happened with them was they took a leap of faith and they landed in the ditch, and that is what they're not being able to get out of. They will eventually get out of it because dragonflies, fireflies, all these are rays of hope, and this is surrounding this card. So I feel they are going to get out of it, but they just need some time. Somebody betrayed their trust and they need to just get a hold of life. Ask for help from others if you really want to pursue this person, and if you know their friends, talk to them. See how you can best approach this situation because this is a matter of the heart and it needs to be handled with a lot of care, and you need to comfort this person, but you also need to be gentle. balance spirituality and practicality. You could be dealing with a Pisces person. Your commitment is being tested. Okay. Confidence is your key to success. You could be dealing with a Leo person. You got the Strength card as well. Nothing is yet set in stone. A new start is coming. Whatever energy whatever energy surrounds you right now is gaining momentum. If you're surrounding yourself with the energy of love, rest assured it's going to magnify. Let's see one last message from the universe for the month of May for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. I choose love no matter what. Sometimes when somebody is taking time to open up to you, we tend to lose hope. But don't lose hope because they'll come around, Capricorn. You're on the right track. Take care. Be good. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.